And welcome back to my channel, Nails by Tashi. First things first, if you could just like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I made this really pretty blue powder. So you can use this as acrylic or you can use it for dip, whatever one, it's up to you. So if you put it on like thin coats, you can have it be like this jelly translucent color, or if you put it on a little thicker, you got this beautiful blue. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is show you everything that we're going to use to make the powder. So this is what I'm going to mix it in. It's called a mortar and pestle. I bought it off eBay. It was like $9.99, I think. And then I'm going to use this scoop. This is 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to use that to scoop the powder with. And then I have this little jar. This is what I'm going to put it in after I mix it. Cuticle pusher, I'm going to use this to scoop out my pigment. So this is a really pretty color. I bought this on from justpigments.com. That's where I got this. This is such a pretty color. And then I have my brush and my monomer that I'm going to use to test it out with. And then the last thing is my powder that I'm going to be using. So at first I was planning on doing a white powder, but I actually don't have that much of it. So I don't want to use the rest of it to do this. So the pink it's super light, almost translucent. So I'm pretty sure it should be fine. Once it's mixed with this really intense blue, it should make a really pretty color. So let's get started and see if it does, see if it works. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get a scoop. I think I'm going to do two scoops. So this is like a super light pink. I don't know if you can see that well on camera, but it is pink. So I'm going to put that in there. So I just put in 2 tablespoons. That's like the big measuring spoon. And now I'm gonna add in my powder. I don't really have a measurement for this. I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna take this. Wow, this is so pretty. Put this in, and just a little bit more. So I'm just going to start with like this much, and I'm just going to mix it in a little bit. I actually hate the sound of this thing scraping in there. I'm going to show you in just a second. So mix it up just a little bit, and then go in with this and mix it. Oh crap. I just spilled some. So you have to mix it kind of gently. The powder is like getting stuck. The pigment is getting kind of stuck on the sides. So just mix this up. So this is how it's going. It's like kind of really getting stuck on the edges. So I'm just trying to rub that. I don't know if that's making it worse or helping. So I made some earlier, and I feel like it was working better than this. But I think I just have to keep mixing. So just keep mixing it until it's completely smooth. If you do put in clear or white or whatever, you want to make sure you don't mix brands of acrylic. Like, they're all made up of like almost the same thing, but they're just like a little bit different. So you could like kind of not necessarily mess it up, but it just might not work right. It might not lay right. It might lift fast. Who knows? I'll probably end up like capping this, so like putting down a clear, and then putting clear on top of it. You can use this as dipping powder as well, but I would say mostly if you're just doing it like for yourself. So just keep on mixing. I think it's working. This is so pretty. Okay, so I just kept on mixing. I think I ended up mixing this for probably like 4 minutes. Just like keep stirring. I am really happy with it. This is such a pretty color. Wow, love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. That was not good. There it is. Finished. This is such a pretty color. This was so easy to make. And yeah, you can just, you buy the pigments, or you can use like mica powder. Yeah, you just get them, just mix it with the acrylic, and you just need something kind of like this to just mix it really well, like so you don't get like that marbling and just all liney and grains. You can see it. Not good. So this is good. This is nice and smooth, the even color. You can put it on like kind of thinner, and it kind of has like that translucent jelly look. Or you can put on a thicker coat and it's like super blue. So pretty. I love this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want more videos. Let me know if you try this, if you try to make the acrylic, how it goes. You can definitely use pink. Like I had like a whole lot of pink, so that's why I ended up using it instead of white. But once I get some more, I'm going to make some more. I have a lot more pretty colors like this neon yellow, and this is called mint silver. I love it. Then I have these. You probably can't see these very well on camera, but they're just like so shimmery. Can't see them. But yeah, so I have these. Oh, and I have black. So I'm going to make a black acrylic too. Alright guys, let me know if you want to see any more. Thanks for watching.